Alright, this is Vance, and this is my room tour after Christmas. So yeah, first we have the basketball hoop, pro mini hoop. My ball's in my room, basketball, but really good basketball hoop. Alright, let's go inside. You can turn the light on now. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. This is my room. First, we'll start off with my gaming desk and all of this stuff. So, my mic fell over, but we can put that back.
I think I knocked it over putting the LED lights on, sorry.
LED lights all around the table. Can change it up once in a while. And obviously, Mountain Dew. We have my PlayStation right here. You can play games. My monitor, new monitor. My desk has, this is really cool. Put this, a drink holder, and then over here is actually, people might be wondering what that is. That is a headphone holder. You can hold your headphone. You obviously want to make sure the cords are on the ground. Or that would be bad. Alright, now let's move to my nice bed. Finally, that took over a month to make this bed nice. So here's the basketball.
This bed was nice when you got it.
Yep, here's the basketball. We have some more Christmas presents. We have the Spider-Man stuff. Batman, Robin, Batman Begins, The Dark Knight, and The Dark Knight Rises. Oh, great Batman movies. We have stuffed animals, pillows, And then my favorite part of the bed, that RGBT LED lights under the bed, pink. Then we have, my bookshelf, all my PS4 games, all my Wii games, more books. Yeah, and I have this. It's kind of hard. I'm going to turn the light on.
It's getting dark. It's hard to see anyway.
It can kind of change colors. I don't know.
You need a black light for that. That would help.
Can change colors. Really cool. To go over here, we have my drawer. Right here. Beautiful. Let's get my chair out of the way real quick. It's my drawer, underwear, shirts, pants. Have my RGBT lights on my, obviously, beautiful Dodge Viper. And we have Vance right here.
Oh, that is Vance.
Playing pool. We have my wallet right here. Now, all the stuff you want. And my favorite, my BBs. Shoot my BB gun. Have my stuff right here. Sunglasses. RGBT stuff. Lip balm. Pocket knife. All the stuff. And then we have the remote for this. Obviously, Spartans football helmet with the mouth guard inside. My not nice closet, but better. All my clothes, more birthday stuff everywhere. But now, I have pajamas on, pencils, and stuff I don't like to wear. And also, I didn't show you guys this over here. This, my phone, cool phone, iPhone 11, red iPhone 11, Spider-Man, case with Spider-Man right here. But you can put it on this U-Tech thing. Put it on. Charges your phone while having the little RGBT light. And then right here, I haven't been using this. You can put games, a lot of games.
And your controllers.
My keyboard, my mouse, all that. Controllers, this is what I use my controllers for. It charges your controllers, but as a stand. Now, everything in a boy's room you would want. Hats, and even hats, jackets, robes, all that stuff. That falls down a lot. But thank God it fall down because this is my baseball.
Baseball and basketball
hanger.
ball,
Oh, yeah.
isn't it?
finally put up the basketball stuff, the baseball stuff. Just so nice.
You realize this is a 5-minute video already?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking.
Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed the room tour, and I'll see you when my room gets dirty, I guess.